Many onlookers were startled by this sight in the sky, and you can see why. This giant rolling cloud signals an approaching storm. In Shanghai, a huge storm with strong winds blew down a series of tents. Fortunately, no one was inside when the disaster happened. Imagine what it would be like to see a sight like this in the sky at sunset. What would be your first thought? You probably wouldn't think of this strange, yet mesmerizing light failing to launch the Starship 7 spacecraft. A tornado hit the coast of Cefalù, Italy, and quickly turned into The tornado was destructive, leaving a trail of destruction in its path. These incredible images were taken from space by the Suomi space station. They show not just clouds, but a real natural disaster. Landing during snowfall is more difficult because of visibility, but also more spectacular. Breathtaking moment when the landslide collapsed. The lucky dogs survived as if protected by a divine hand. Subscribe to the channel if you feel the same way. Eels are born in the Sargasso Sea and begin their mass migration, drifting with ocean currents to Europe and settling in fresh water. This rare video captures the moment a newborn eel begins its incredible journey. The moment giant ice blocks fell not only caused terror, but also clearly demonstrated the violent transformation of the Earth. The image of long cumulus clouds, arranged parallel to the wind direction, looks like white waves drifting across the sky, creating a majestic and rhythmic natural scene. This rare phenomenon is called cumulus mammatus. Have you seen it? Comment and share your views here. Don't you think this is one of the most magnificent natural sights you've ever seen in your life? Imagine how people would react to the breathing forest phenomenon in Canada. It would be amazing and terrifying at the same time. If you've ever wondered what a volcanic eruption looks like from an airplane, here's your answer. The roar of the ocean signaled a tsunami nightmare approaching the Ganges, making everyone shudder in fear. The apocalyptic light in central London was simply 10. How to stay calm. Terrifying moment in Bangkok, Thailand. Residents on the 48th floor of a high-rise building experienced a 7.7 magnitude earthquake. Sky City in the Clouds. This looks like the title of a science fiction novel, right? Oh, a huge landslide occurred in Piccolino, a hamlet of San Martino in Badia, yesterday, the 7th of July. Large boulders, dragged by a landslide, rolled down the mountain, fortunately, far from houses and roads. Horrifying. The roof of a giant swimming pool in the Netherlands collapsed, leaving behind a scene of devastation in the blink of an eye. This is a picture of a B-747 flying past an aircraft in the opposite direction, and with it, the steam behind the engine, creating a beautiful sight. Breathtaking moment. Super Typhoon Saola slams into southern China, threatening to become the strongest storm in decades. Coral reproduction is a magical phenomenon as they release eggs and sperm into the water, creating a shower of marine life. A cyclical event influenced by tidal temperatures and the phase of the moon. Lightning streaks across the night sky on the 14th of August, 2015 near Cleanse, a stark reminder that nature can be unpredictable. See the ideal combination of humidity and temperature, pushing low clouds from the ocean straight onto the land. Have you ever seen anything like this? The Red River Valley in Shanghai, China, the result of thousands of years of sulfur accumulation dubbed the blood of the earth, is breathtaking and mystical from above, and a unique destination for those craving new experiences. A strange cloud formation is seen west of St. George, Utah, on the 4th of June, 2023. The situation became even more serious when a stream overflowed in Alto Los Guerra and a landslide in Silla de Pando completely washed away parts of the village, blocking roads. Fortunately, the authorities were able to warn and evacuate people to safety. Oh my God. An SUV was swept away by floodwaters in seconds. Remember, always stay away from flooded areas. The clear blue sky quickly turned to dust, signaling the destructive power of the rockfall on Mont Blanc on the 15th of July, 2022. In the mining town of Sheregishske, a sinkhole appeared, and no one could have predicted how quickly the land would change. Strong winds from Cyclone Mocha have begun to hit Sitwe, warning of the harshness and unpredictability of nature.
It looked like any morning in the San Fernando Valley. It was not.
1,994 aerial
dust.
photograph captures a disfigured Los Angeles, where the entire city appears to have collapsed under the weight of the
Structures made of
disaster.
brick were hit hard. The State Beach Cafe crumpled.
Your day is sure to be more special than usual, as the terrifying moment in Nepal turned the ground into a violent shaking, vehicles into chaos, and people into panic, turning a peaceful morning into an unforgettable tragedy. You can't imagine how powerful the 2011 tsunami was. It not only destroyed the fishing port of Shimoaka, but also carved a pain into Japanese history that will never fade.